From the quiet town of Franz Joseph to the scenic lakes of Wanaka, and into the vibrant heart of Christ Church, one message stood out: helping those in need serves as an act of compassion. And it was here that Care for Humanity served overseas Filipino workers that strive to look for better opportunities while leaving loved ones behind, by helping them through care packages in lessening their burden, especially for overseas Filipino workers like Elmer.
Bilang OFW dito sa New Zealand, based on my experience, pinakamahirap na napagdaanan ko ay yung iwan ko yung pamilya ko sa Pilipinas upang makapagtrabaho dito sa New Zealand.
Held as a district event for all of New Zealand South, care packages were given to overseas Filipino workers as the event was led by Supervising Minister Brother Uziel Bongares. Packages, not only material, but a sign of compassion for those in need. Volunteering also serves as a means of inspiration for members like Leonardo.
Learn that my faith isn't just something I carry inside. It has to show in what I do. Volunteering made me realize that the church is not just about what we receive, it's about how we give. And I realized how deeply connected I am to my fellow brethren inside the church. We were one team, one family. We were one team and one family serving in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ.
Hirap pong challenges is yung malayo po sa pamilya, tapos nasa remote area din po yung Franz Joseph. So yung mga ganito activities po na ginagawa po ng iglesia is parang nakakatulong po na kahit paano mabawasan po yung pangungulila, tsaka yung mga kapatiran po is parang nagiging extended family.
The Filipino migrant workers in this part of the world continue to increase. And so we want to send them the message that we are here for them, to give them support or needed assistance whenever we can.
In every hand reached out and every life uplifted, the Church of Christ shows that care is the truest measure of humanity. From inaugural worship services to ongoing humanitarian efforts, the Church of Christ continues to shine as lights, bringing hope to more and more people.